Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So I have a little thing here, an application that makes you a little bit more productive. So as you can see on my background right here, this is gonna be an essay, or we can call it a research paper. If you're gonna believe me, it only took this guy around 2 minutes to finish everything, or even less. Now I'm gonna teach you how to do this on your end, because of this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the best AI tool for writing research papers 2024. And right now we're gonna call it Jenni AI. It's basically gonna be an AI that helps you write papers. That is the most basic definition to it. Now to get started, I am currently using my dummy Google account here, and I'll see you what's inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now this is gonna be what's inside of Jenni. This is for undergrad, master's or MBA, or PhD and beyond. So it takes you 1, 2, 3, all 3 levels of academics are here. And with that being said, let me just escape this one, because before we get started, I want to show you the pricing. So this is going to be the pricing for the free version, which is the one I have right now. Even though this is a free version, I'm going to give you a glimpse of the paid versions on how different it is on the free plan. Again guys, this is annually, and I think this is monthly. That being said, let's go back on the main landing page. Now once you click on new document, basically it will ask you what do you want to write today. And as you can see right here, it has a weak prompt guide. So you can have a suggestion to add more context for higher quality generations. Now that being said, before we get started in this one, I want to show you what it looks like if you have a paid subscription. Because I have a screenshot right here. Give me a second, let me just pull it up. Perfect. Let me just zoom it in, minimize this one. So basically this is what you get if you have a paid subscription. The only difference is that you have this option to enable outline builder, so automatically create document headlines or headings. What it does is, instead of writing one simple document for the free plan version, if you have the paid subscription, just enable this option that says outline builder, and you're going to create an essay or research paper with all outlines, starting from header, table of content, body of the research paper, methodology, up to conclusion or hypotheses. But for this one, let's try it out. I'm going to type in here the cost of economic delay or downtrend. Something like that. These are just things I've made up. And as you can see right here, this is add verb prompts. So considering including important keyword, I think I'm going to still push it with this one even though it's going to be average. And click on start writing. Now it's currently starting writing with just not even a minute longer. So that's going to be my header, the causes of economic delay or downtrend. If you hover your mouse right here, you can add a new heading. Basically with that being said, just hover your mouse and then you can add your own heading. For example, type here sample heading for economic delay, something like that. And then you're going to have an addition. AI will help you continue your text. If I click on accept here, basically that's it. And then if you hover your mouse at the end of one sentence, it will give you a suggestion already. Now before I click on accept, I can click on try again and AI will rewrite a suggestion. I can click accept now and just hover my mouse around there, and basically it's now going through. Now I want to limit myself first because I only have a very limited coins or access to it. I think only 200 words for free trial. Anyway, I'm going to limit myself a little bit now because I want to show you this 6 dots. If you click on the 6 dots right there, if I click on AI commands, I can make this one longer. As you can see, there's an option that says longer, translate, or even summarize. Now the best part about this one, if you click on write opposing argument right there, so it says failed because we don't have a whole research paper yet. Now one more time right here, let's try making this longer. Let me just remove this one and click on the 6 dots right there. Click on AI commands and make it longer. Click on expand. So welcome back to the video. Right now we have the expanded or make it longer. So you're gonna have an option to insert below, replace selection, try again or discard, or tell Jenni what to do next. I can just simply click on continue here and it will continue writing. But since I'm limiting my tokens, I'm gonna replace or insert below with there. As you can see, we already have a warning that we have reached our 200 word limit. So I'm going to stop right here. and fix the spelling on this one. I think this should be pandemic. Something like that. Perfect. So another thing to take note of is if you highlight some part here. For example, I'm going to highlight this little sentence or phrase. Click on Cite. So these are going to be the citations by relevance. You can click most recent, oldest, or relevance. If I click on Add Citation right there, I'm going to have a citation on this exact phrase. Awesome, right? Also, guys, you can change your style here. Writing style, MLA 9, Harvard, up to Chicago is available. You can change your font text, font style, whatever you want, by numbered or bullet. You can redo, bold your letters right there with no problem at all. Of course, I want to highlight this one also, AI chat. So AI chat is basically the assistant inside your assistant, because Jenni AI is already your assistant, right? So think of AI chat as another assistant inside Jenni. So we call it Ask Jenni. So hello, I'm your AI research assistant. Basically, this is going to be your access to your library in the web to try asking me some questions about your research topic or some other prompts. So let's try this one. What is my paper about? Something like that. Click on send and wait for it to answer. This is actually real time. So your paper discussed economic downtrends, examining factors, etc., etc. I can add to the document right here. But since I have a limited tokens right now, it will not be added. But if you have a full plan, for example, you have the full plan right there, simply click on this one and you have it right here. And by the way, guys, you can add some more here. But for now, let's go to library. So library is basically what's inside or what are the things you did inside your Jenni AI. You can cite, view on your recent works. Awesome, right? You have your collections here. Think of collections as your own personal folders. So this is your first collection. You can rename this one. Let's name this sample folder. Something like that. And then with that being said, you can add a sub-collection inside it. So once inside here, you can enter or export anything you have to make sure you are organized. Sources are right here, one more thing. And basically, you can add some sources here. You can upload it, create collections, or import bib text. Again, guys, if you click on this one, for example, show the version of the previous document, you can restore it. But since we're already starting or we're just starting, there is no previous document version for this one. Now, for example, you're satisfied with what you have. You can just simply click on export and you'll be good to go. Of course, before I click on export right there, I want to show you some more AI commands here. Now, let's talk about this exact phrase. With this one, I can improve fluency. Like so I have a limit exceeded, so that will not work, but please free to do so if you have your paid plan. Have fun with this AI command, and then click on this one, write opposing argument. This is actually fun. By the name itself, it will write an opposing argument on your paper so you can ready yourself or prepare yourself for any possible reply or setback your paper might have. So let's try exporting it right here. I'm going to export to Word document. And with no problem at all, I have it on my Word document on this one right here. I'll see you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. This is gonna be the paper that was created by Jenni AI. Take note, guys, check out the trend. Check out the font. Check out the references are right here. It's like it's written by a college graduate, right? Awesome. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.